Watch till the end to get a special treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
In this lesson, we're going to learn how to make a backing plate. So one way, which is the hard way, but the way that everybody can do it. Now, I use SheetCam. SheetCam has a button. So if I want a backing plate for one of my signs, I can just go into SheetCam and hit cut out the outside line only, and it does that. But back before I knew that it did that, this is how I used to do it. So you would just take your design, right click it, hit duplicate, pull it off to the side, and we're going to zoom in here, and we're going to turn on our new nodes tool, and what we're going to do is we're going to delete all of the inside lines on the whole design. The only line we're going to leave is the outside line. So all these inside nodes we're just going to get rid of. Depending on your design is how long this is going to take you. Usually most of them aren't too bad. But I'm going to speed through this so you don't gotta, well. And once you have all of your inside nodes removed, that's pretty much all there is to it. So I'm going to grab my selection tool, change this to green, highlight both of these, grab my alignment tool and align it vertically and horizontally. Now my backing plate is on the front of it, so I'm just going to highlight the front piece and move down one layer, and boom. There you go. That's one way to make a backing plate. Let's move on to the next lesson.
What if I told you that mastering CNC plasma sign design and becoming a master at sales and marketing your work doesn't require expensive software or years of experience? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tools, the right tutorials, and a proven step-by-step roadmap. I built my CNC plasma business from the garage with a 2-foot by 2-foot plasma table up to a 5,000 square foot full-blown metal fab shop, and now I'm giving away the exact tools and pathway to how I did it. Inside is all of the information I wish I had when I first started 7 years ago. This includes a free Inkscape drawing tutorial video set that teaches you how to draw, design, and prep your files for plasma cutting like a pro, start to finish. And I'm also unlocking access to our CNC Plasma Sales Masterclass, where you'll learn how to turn your hobby into a full-blown, profitable business. When you click the link below, you'll get instant access to our step-by-step Inkscape training, ready to cut SVG sign files, our plasma sign pricing calculator, a free QuickBooks Masterclass to track your sales, our complete CNC Plasma business roadmap, and my exclusive member-only content that I will never post on YouTube. Inside, you'll find tons of downloadable files and private video lessons waiting for you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you're tired of endlessly searching YouTube, and ready to finally build a CNC plasma business that pays you what you're worth so that you can go full-time and quit your day job, you can escape the rat race just like I did, and I'm going to show you how. Click the link below in the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.